Suppose I am trying to create simple table, create tables. Okay, EMP, ID, number, name, varchar, city, varchar. Okay. Tell me, so Snowflake supports what are the character data type? It supports varchar and then varchar to then what it supports other than varchar to
Number.
no for character
Char.
char. Okay, then text string. Okay, what internal so those ones are mix of earphones. Okay, so what it will convert into? It convert into varchar. What is the size? Maximum size? Important question. 16 MB. Okay. What is the number size? Number maximum size?
38.
38 comma 0. Okay. So for like 5 comma 1. Okay. What is the number one? What is the scale precision? What is the scale?
6. 5.
Scale is the 5. Okay. What is precision?
1.
1. Okay. So before decimal, how many digits? After decimal, how many digits?
4 decimal 4
Before
Four
5.
digits before.
Before 4. Okay. After it will be 1. Okay. So 5 minus 1. No, 4.
Decimal 4,
4.
after the decimal only 1.
One. Okay, these are the basic things. Sometimes they'll ask the basic type of questions. Okay, this question asked. Okay, so what is scale and precision? Okay, so scale is nothing but total number of records. So precision is nothing but after decimal how many records we can able to make it working. So this is fine. Okay,
So all these data types can hold 16 MB of data.
this varchar, all the things it holds. Okay, no, remember, so this all this it convert into varchar only. Suppose is the same thing. Let me try to show you.
Can you one more time tell me about precision one? I'm forgetting that part.
Okay, I'll explain 1 second. Take any suppose like I want to create. Okay, see, so create table. So the ID I am using varchar ID1 varchar ID2 varchar2 char. Then what happen? ID4 text ID5 string. Now see what happened. Now how to see list of columns in a particular table? How can you see list of columns?
Describe.
Okay, so
List
using
columns.
describe table. Okay, now see what happens. See if I give varchar to anything, what it convert into what? Varchar only. Okay, so size is 16 MB. Got the point? Okay, see, we can go for varchar to char. Text is to char only one, remaining it will take 16 MB. It will take. Got the point? Yes, I'm getting it.
So here I have a question, Praveen. So instead of taking all this varchar to char text and string, so can I use at a time like varchar?
No. What? No, Snowflake. Remember, Snowflake is mainly for what? Mainly for data migration project. So data migration project in the sense like what? Tell me. See, in Oracle we are using varchar to concept. Okay, got a point of varchar to data type. In SQL Server, they having the data type as varchar. So when you're trying to migrate, now what happened without any issues, we can able to. That was the main motto. Got the point of. Okay, see, okay, so because now suppose like in Oracle database we are having varchar, but Snowflake doesn't support varchar, then what happen? It will throw error. That's why. So see, varchar is there in SQL Server database. Varchar is there in Oracle database. If I use varchar in SQL Server, it won't work because it will throw error. Same thing what happen if I take the same detail script and try to execute in Snowflake, no, it won't throw in because no Snowflake support all the things, but internally it convert into varchar. See, I'm using varchar, but what happens internally convert to varchar. That was the point. Okay, so Snowflake supports all of this, but internally it convert into varchar. That was the point.
Does it convert the number format as well to varchar?
No, not like this. Only varchar. I'm saying. Okay, so these things. Okay, so okay. The same thing. Your question was create. So table. So T4 ID number. I'm using 3, 2. Okay. So what is 3, 2? Okay, what is scale? Total number of records scale.
Total number of digits scale.
How many records will be there? Total number of
Five.
digits? 4 not 5. 3. So this is 3.
So we are not going to. Okay.
So see what happened. Get confused. See 1.234. Now it will work or not?
Yeah,
No.
it will work.
It will work. Okay,
It
what the
will
value will take? So see what happened. So see the data.
1.24.
Not 2. 1.24. Okay, so select stars from T4. It will be 1.23. Because this is less than 4, no? Less than
Yeah,
5.
less
Okay.
than 5.
Okay, suppose like I'm putting like 2, it will work.
No,
No, because no 3 minus 2.
3
Okay,
minus
so
2 only 1.
only one. So before decimal, there will be only one character should be there. Now see, let's say number out of representative. So in the sense like what this should be. So see 3 minus 2, this value. So after before decimal, it should be 1 digit only. After decimal, it can be 1. It can be any value, but it will convert. Got the point. Suppose like I'm putting so T4 table. I'm putting 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 in the sense like what? So before decimal, how many? 4 minus 2.
2.
Oh,
So,
okay.
see, it will be there. Okay, it will work. Suppose I put something like 1, 2, 3, something like this. It won't work because no before decimal should have only. Okay, so we should put so
2.
T4. Okay, see, it won't work. Got the point. Clear so far. This is the way. Okay, so this is scale and precision. Okay, come back to the same thing. So we are trying to create one table. So ID name city. Okay, salary number. Okay, salary number. Then okay, so passport. I'm using varchar. Okay, table create or how to see list of tables in my database by using what? List of tables.
Describe.
Show
Tables. Show tables.
Show tables.
A list of columns. Show columns. Okay, see show column. Okay, so this is fine. Now what happened? Now I want to see the data by using select statement. Select star from our table name. What's the table name? EMP. Okay, see EMP. Okay, see table. Now what happened? I want to populate some data. How can I populate some data in the particular table by using which concept?
EML.
Insert DML. That is insert into EMP. Okay, see column ID values. Okay, I'm putting. Okay, so mute yourself. Okay, ID comma city. Okay, so plug ID comma passport. Okay, see 1 comma something like ABC 1 2 3. Tell me totally how many columns are there? There are totally 5 columns are there. Okay, so we are populating on the ID passport. So remaining 3 columns by default, what value get populated?
Null values.
So null values. Okay, we're discussing today null concept. See, there are totally 5 columns are there. Out of 5 columns, we are populating only 2 columns. Remaining columns by default, what will we get? Null values getting populated. Got the point? So we're discussing nulls. Okay, so come back here, same thing. The concept is that tell me what is null? What is null? Any idea? Anyone? What is null?
Null is no value.
Neither zero nor value.
Okay, see no value, nothing, undefined. Okay, see undefined or unassigned value. Okay, got the point. There is no value. Okay, simple thing. So null is nothing or no value or undefined or unassigned value. Got the point? Okay, see. No value, nothing, undefined or unassigned value. Clear so far? Okay, so this is okay. So no value, nothing or undefined or unassigned value. Okay. Okay, so okay. Now tell me next question that how nulls are populated in the database table columns. Anyone? So right now what null is nothing, undefined or unassigned value. So there is no value for the particular column. In future, we can able to expect a value. Next question is that what how nulls are populated in the database table column?
While inserting in the columns, if we miss or if we don't have any values, it will be automatically generated.
Okay, so
instead of 0.
Okay, so like see just now discussed. No, see Okay, see control Z. Now totally how many columns are there in my table? There are totally 5 columns are there. But what happened? We are taking only 2 columns. Remaining 3 columns by default, see, it will take null value. Null value. Got the point? See the same thing. Okay, so okay, see the same thing. So first way is that what? Okay, see when you have 10 columns. Okay, but okay, so but ignoring 6 columns. Tell me 6 columns will be null values. Okay, see there totally 5 columns are there. Out of 5 columns, we are populating only 2 columns. So remaining 3 columns it will populate. So by ignoring the columns. Okay. Next way is that what suppose like same thing. Okay. Now I'm putting 10. I'm putting null. Tell me totally how many columns, how many null values will be populated by default totally. In the particular column, how many null values will be populated?
4.
4. So see, so ID, passport. Okay, remaining name, city, salary. So by default, 3 columns will be null. And again, what we are explicitly mentioning null value. So this is one way. Other way is that what, see, if you go on what happened, explicitly mentioning null values. Okay, see, first way is that what, while we're ignoring the column. Second way is that what, okay, explicitly mentioning null value. Got the point? Explicitly mentioning null value. Okay. And what about the third way? Third, any idea about any other way how the nulls will be populated apart from inserting? Anyone knows, sir? Tell me how can I update here null? We should go for what? Update statement. Update EMPE set passport equals to null. Tell me it will work.
Is null. Passport is.
Equal to null. Now see, so this is other way. So it is getting updated with null. Okay. Tell me how to add a new column.
Alter.
Alter.
Alter table
name, add
add
Column.
column. Okay, tell me new column will be added at where? At the last position.
at the last
And what
position.
about the values? 2 records are there. What will get? Null values.
Null values by
Null
default.
Okay, see, got the point. So see, so I'll explain one more time. Okay, see the same thing. Update statement. Okay. Okay, other one is the alter statement. Okay, first question is that what is null? Null is nothing or undefined or unassigned value. Next question, how nulls are populating? So one way is that when we are trying to ignore the particular column, otherwise explicitly we are mentioning null value or update statement or by using alter statement we are. Okay. Next question is that why we want to handle nulls. Tell me what is the reason to handle nulls? Reason is that what is the reason to handle nulls?
Otherwise, whatever operation involved with null, it will give null as output. So that is the reason we need to handle null values.
Okay, correct. See what happens. See, select 10 plus 10. Output will be 20. So 20 plus 20, output will be 40 because this is a value. Now tell me what is null? Null is a value. No. Now what's output will get?
Null.
Will get null only. Got the point. See, okay, see. So see. So 10 plus 10. So remember that what here? Suppose let's see. So 10 is a value, 10 is a value, 20 is a value, 0 is a value. Now we're getting 40. But tell me null is a value, null is no value. When there is no value, how can you do anything? It will do null only, null only. Same thing in a similar fashion. Select, okay, select 10 into 10, it will be 100. Again 100 null, what is output will get? We'll get null only, null only. So whatever the operation, suppose like select 10 minus 10 minus null, it will give null only. Got the point. So this is fine. Same thing, select. So P and R. Tell me what is output will get? PR will get. Okay, same thing. Club with null, what is output will get?
PR. This time PR. Only on concatenation operation only gives the value.
No. That is in oracle. So see here it will be null only. Null only. Okay, see it is null. Okay, got the point here. Except it will be null only. Okay. So see what are the operations? Suppose like same thing. Select star from EMP. Okay, now see this is fine. Now what happens? Suppose like where ID equal to 1. Tell me it work. It will work. Now, tell me where ID equal to null it work.
No.
Okay, see,
Y-
so
we
see,
sh-
we'll see. Okay, see,
yes.
we'll see the same thing. Okay, now what happens? See, conclusion is that whatever the operations perform with null, it will give what? It will give null value.
Null.
Okay, okay, see. So reason is that whatever the operations performed with the null, it will give null. Operation in the sense like what? Arithmetic operation, the filtering concept, okay, concatenation, all things will give null only. So one more time we'll conclude. Okay. Tell me what is null? What is null? Null is
Null is
nothing.
Value
Nothing.
nothing,
Nothing.
undefined.
Undefined or unassigned
Unassigned.
value. Okay. Next step is that what? How nulls are getting populated. In the database table. Tell me how it is getting populated.
Inserting.
Insert.
While
update.
Okay,
inserting.
see. So while inserting, ignoring the columns. Okay, next one is that what? Okay, see,
Updating.
explicitly mentioning null.
Null
Okay,
value.
null.
Explicit.
Okay. And one more way is that what? Or the third way?
Updating also.
Update to null. Okay. Another way? Update to null. Then
And alter when we add new column to the
okay,
table
alter.
also.
It will be null only. Okay, so this is fine. Okay. And any other way, next step, this is fine. Okay, next step is that what? So why we want to handle nulls? Tell me reason is that what? Why we want to handle nulls? Is that what?
On the aggregate source.
So whatever the arithmetic operation,
operations.
arithmetic operation, it will give null because there is no value, it will give wrong result on. Okay, so it will give data quality issue. Okay, so quality issue. Okay, so what this is fine. Next step is about how to handle nulls. Tell me how can I handle nulls?
Through NVL of
So
NVL2
through
Coalesce.
through null handling functions. Got the point of see. So next step is that what? How to handle null values
Null
through
values.
null handling functions.
Function.
What are the functions where I mostly use? NVL,
NVL2
Coalesce. Okay, so
Coalesce.
we will use mainly these things. Okay, so we will use the Coalesce mainly in real time. NVL, NVL2 Coalesce. So these are by using null handling functions, we can able to handle null values. So we're having NVL, that is, I can say null value. Okay, it's having two arguments. We'll see the same thing with the example, two arguments. What about NVL2? It having three arguments. Okay, so here we're having n arguments. Okay, we'll see the same thing. Okay, see NVL, it's a simple only NVL. Okay, 1, 2 output is 1. Same thing NVL null, 2 output is 2. Same thing null, null. Tell me what output will be null. Tell me by seeing this one, tell me, can you tell what exactly? Why it's giving 1? Any idea, anyone?
Yeah, if it is positive value, if it is any value, then it will give return that value only.
We'll check the first not null value.
Okay, so to pick the first not. Suppose like simple use case, let me try to write okay, one example. Now tell me I want to get this database, this schema. See, click on this set worksheet context. Okay. Now what happens is the same thing. Select star from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now what happens? See, let me take the screenshot for you. Okay, now see here. Okay, these are not null values. Okay, see, not null. What about this thing? These two are null values. Okay, so when you have null, it's nothing but okay, say null values. Okay, see, so these are not, see, these are not null values. Okay, so remaining are, so remember one more time, when you have values, nothing but say not null value. When you have null, say null value. Got the differences? So this is null value, remaining are not null value. Same thing now what happens? See here also what? So see NVL null value 2 arguments. So NVL 1, 2. Now tell me first, it will pick the first not null
First not
argument.
null value
A
argument.
not null value. Tell me which is the not null. See, 1 is a not null
Not
value.
null.
So what about here? See, here the first not null value. What about here?
Two.
You get null value, null value. Got the point. One more time. Go back here. We'll see the use case. Okay, see, select NVL. Okay, 1, 2. Now what is output will get?
1.
Okay, so select same thing A and B. What's output will get?
A.
A.
Okay, A. Okay, same thing in a similar fashion. NVL. Okay, see null, 100. Now what is output will get?
100.
100. See, first not null is the first not null. Okay, if it is null, is it will give second argument. Now see, same thing. NVL 100, 100. Okay, I will take null, null. Which one will take?
Null.
Which null? Second null pick. Okay, got it.
Second.
Okay, see, first it will pick the first argument. If first argument is null, go for the second argument. See, second argument is 100 and null. Got the point. Same thing will go for NVL. It's good.
So in a column, like if I couldn't get it actually this part. So
Okay.
when I'm using this NVL function, I mean, like NVL, first time it is taking the first value, like
First
if it
not
is
null. So now first not null value is that what? What is first not null in this thing? Left to right, tell me. Left to right.
left.
Left to right, which is the first argument? First not null. So this is the first not
Yeah.
null value. Same thing, the first
Okay.
argument, see, this one is not null, go for second argument. Now first argument is null, it will go for second argument. That's what's the point. It will pick the first not null argument. So first not null, suppose like select okay, NVL 1, 2. Tell me which is the first not null value from left to right.
Yeah, it's 1.
1, no, 1, it will pick 1 value. Okay, suppose like
Okay.
select NVL. Okay, see, null, 2. Then what happened? First null is at 2. Okay, suppose like
Okay.
okay, NVL null, null. Now there is no record, we'll go for second argument. Okay, so that's what.
Second argument that is null. Okay.
Okay, so same thing will go for NVL2. NVL2 is having 3 arguments. Okay, see, 3 arguments. Okay. So see, 2 or 3 arguments. NVL2. Okay, see, NVL2. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now see the same thing. I'll try to give example. Now see, out will be 2. Same thing. Control D. I'm getting the control D. So NVL2 having 3 arguments. Now to see this use case, can anyone tell me logic? Any idea? Anyone can able to tell logic?
We'll check the second not null value argument.
Second not null, not okay. See anybody? Any idea? So see this example. You need to say. Tell me. You should develop the logic. Anybody?
If the first not null, then it will pick the second value.
Okay. If it is null, then
And second value it will pick.
Last value.
okay. Now see the same thing. So see. So first argument. See what happened. Okay. See. Okay. Here there are 3 arguments are there. Here also they'll check for the first argument. Okay. See everything is a first argument. Let me take the screenshot. Tell me first argument is what? First argument is not null value. It pick the second argument. If first argument is null value, what it will pick the third argument. Got the point? So see one more time. Okay, see. So here also what? First argument it will check. So first argument.
Checks
So first
whether it
argument.
null
Okay,
or-
not null. Okay, not null. Then pick the what? Pick the second argument. Second argument. Okay. If first argument is null, what will pick? It will pick the
third argument.
third argument. That's was the point. Okay, see one more time, try to give clarity. Okay, see. So see the same thing. Okay, see first argument is what? It's a not null. We'll pick the second argument. If first argument is null, we pick what? We'll pick the third argument. Okay. What about it? Tell me. See, first argument is what? First argument is not null value. Not will pick the second argument. Second argument. It can be any value. Got the point. The same thing. If first argument like pick the third argument. What about last value? Which null will take? Which null will take? First, second, third. Third, no, so third. So the third argument it will take. Got the point. See, getting the point, sir. So if first argument is null value, then pick the third argument. If first argument is not, will pick the second argument. Got the point? I said not. So it is used to handle not null values as well as null values. Got the point? See, whereas NVL will handle only null values. Clear, suffer one more time. So see here, the first argument is that what it is used to handle not null values as well as null values. Got the point? So NVL2 is used to handle null values as well as not null values. Not null. See the simple use case is select NVL2 1, 2, 3. What is output will get? First value is what is output?
2.
So first argument is
Not null.
not null.
Not null.
Pick which value? It pick the second
Second
argument.
argument.
Second argument.
Okay.
Okay, got the point. Like this, so you can able to make it. One second. Okay. Now same thing. Now what happens? Suppose like NVL2. Okay, see NVL2. So null, 2. Now what is what will get?
2.
2. Okay, see first argument is null values. It will go to the third argument.
Third.
Same thing. Okay, 100, null, 100. And now what will get?
Null.
So null will get. Okay, see null.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so null which see because no it will pick the second argument because first argument is not null, it will pick the second argument. Same thing NVL2 null, null. Okay, one output will be so see third argument.
Null.
Will be. Okay, so third argument. Got a point to see the same thing. Then a similar fashion will go for our last one, that is coils. So coils having n argument. Now you should say the answer. See coils 1, 2, 3. So 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now output is 1. Okay, control D. So now output will be 2. Okay.
2.
Control D. Now output will be so
3.
Control D. I'll explain, don't worry. Now it will be
10.
So 1, now it will be 1. Okay,
1.
Control D. Now it will be null. Okay, now see same thing. Now see, so coils also
Null.
what? Coils also NVL. Okay, so it will pick first not null value. So difference between NVL and coils is that NVL having 2 arguments, coils having n number of arguments. So it will pick the first not null value. First not null value. So first not null value. Okay, see minimum 2 arguments, maximum n number of arguments. It will pick the first not null value. Got the point? Yes, sir, got it. Getting the point. So see, it will pick the first not null value. Clear so far? Getting a little bit. Okay, so same as NVL. NVL having 2 arguments, but coils is having n number of arguments. See the same thing. Select. So coils. Okay, 1. Okay, so like A, B. Tell me what's output. Output will be
A.
okay, same. Okay, suppose what about NVL?
B.
NVL? B.
Sorry.
A.
Sorry. A.
Okay, see
NVL
so
also similar.
both have same functionality, but
Same
difference is
function.
that what? So
Only
difference is
2
that
arguments.
only 2
NVL.
arguments in. Okay, see coils having n number of arguments. So same thing. So coils
Coils is an argument.
n
number of
arguments. So same. So see coils. Okay, see it returns the first not null expression among its arguments or null if all arguments are null. Okay, got it. See here answer here. Okay, so it will pick the first not null expression. So for like same thing, null, null, null. Okay, A. Now which one will pick? Now what's the value will get?
A.
No. See, not A. Okay.
Null, which is in quotation.
So it is a quotation or single quotation. So now what happened? Single quotation, nothing but
Third
same.
one.
So it's a string. Okay. So say this
It's
is
string.
null. This is
Null.
null. This is string. When you have in
String.
single quotation, it's nothing but say string.
It's a
String.
value. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a value. Okay, got the pointer. Like this, say we can able to make it. Okay, got the pointer. So this is what? This is string. Okay, suppose like take the same thing. Coils null comma null. Now what is what we'll get?
Null.
Which null?
Null.
Second null.
Okay, see which null? Second null. No?
Second
null.
null.
So it will pick the first null. If not, then it will go for second. So it will get the last value. Okay, so got a point. So this null is different, and this is string value. Okay, string it will take. Got a point. So this is clear. So this is fine. No worries. Okay. Now what happens? Suppose like see select star from employee. Okay, see employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now see where. Suppose like okay, see where name employee name equals to something like Stavia. I have taken that. Now tell me what happened. How many records will give? There will be 2 records will give. So this
2
is
records.
fine. Okay, so 3 records. Now same thing. Now what happened? Okay, one more time. Now see, I want to extract this record. Now tell me, can I put equal to null? It will work. Can I put single
No.
quote
Is
null?
null.
No,
Is
it
null.
is not.
No.
Okay. Now
Is
requirement is that what? See here Stavia is a value. Now what happened? Tell me here. This is a value. Okay, so null is not a value. Now next step is that what? How can we extract null values? Tell me how. Next step is that what? How to extract null values. Null values. Got the point. How can I extract null values? Basing is null. Null.
Is
Okay,
authorized.
see. Okay, how to extract not null records. Okay, important. Very very. Okay, see how to extract not null basing is not null. Okay, see not null. So very important. Now see the same thing. Now what happened? Equal null won't work because there is no value. So how to extract null values? Which makes of what concept? So see where employee name is null. Okay, go to the point. The same thing. See if I want to get other records, you'll go for is not null. Go to the point. We'll see one more time. So see. So if I want, suppose like I'm the HR. Okay, HR of TCS company. Tell me TCS company, there'll be around 4 lakh employees are there. So now what happened?
6
Okay.
lakhs.
Yeah, 6 lakhs. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me. Okay, I want to get list of employees who are not having any passport. Tell me. So can I go each and every record in the table? So select star from employee. Can I search each and every record like this? Is it possible? Tell me. No. Okay. So
Where-
for 2 to 3 records you can have, but more records on what happened we'll go forward. So we can say where passport what passport is
But it's null.
is null. Got the point. The same thing. Now what happened? So I want list of employees who are having the passport. Simply I'll use passport is not null. In the sense like what value is there. Got the point. Getting the points a little bit we can able to see. So see, okay. So if you want to extract null values, make so is null concept. If you want to extract not, we'll go for is not null concept. Getting the point, sir? Okay, clear, sir? So now tell me how to extract this phone. So we're not having phones, we should make up where phone is null. Phone is null. Got the point? So very, very important concept. Okay. Now see the same thing. Now what happened? Select
In TCS
Ah.
interview, I got this question.
Okay,
Praveen,
okay.
like
Yes.
how to handle null values.
Okay, so compulsory question, because now what happened as a part of Snowflake developer and data migration, we should handle null values. Select by using NVL, NVL2 Coalesce, we can able to get. And the question gets said now, the last question, what is Coalesce? So it is just to pick the first not null values. Got the point. So nulls are very, very important. Okay, see. Okay, for every in interview you'll get the same thing. Okay. Now what happens? See, this is fine. Okay. Now see here, instead of null, I should display no null. Tell me how to display no null. Instead of employee name, I should display no null. How can I handle this value? Wherever null is there, I want to make it to. Tell me how can I handle null values?
NVL.
NVL. Okay, see NVL, comma. Okay, what I should write? No name. No name.
No name.
No name. Okay, see no name. So this is fine. Now what is same thing? Now what happened? I want to give heading. We should make so what?
Employee name.
Column alias. Okay, same thing in a similar fashion. Select star from employee. Now what happens? See here phone is there. Okay, see phone column. Okay, now what happened in the phone column? Now what happened? I want to display something like 0. How display 0? We can make go for coils or anything NVL comma 0. It is working fine. Okay. Now take the same thing. Instead of 0, I want to make no phone. Okay. How to write no phone? We can make so single quote no phone. Now tell me it work. Any idea? Anyone?
Yes.
It won't work
No,
because it is a digit
Data
number.
type.
So see,
Data type.
so see this is
Character.
number data type and this is character. Now see it is
Okay,
shows
okay.
numeric value. See numeric. So what is numeric value? Anybody can able to what? So we'll get the regular this type of issue. What is the issue?
Because
What
of
is
the
she?
number.
Data type.
So
Data
see,
type
type
issue.
so data, what data type issue? Because no, so see in, okay, so number can be compared with number only, but number we are comparing with what? Number we are trying to compare with,
String.
see, so string.
Right.
Okay, see, so when I'll get numeric, it's a data type issue. Simple things tell me, suppose like select one, I guess we did not discuss. Okay, so union, select, okay, see, one, tell me what output will get?
1.
Okay, I'll get
1.
1. I'll get 1. Okay, so this is fine. Now, same thing now, what happened? I am putting something like P to work.
No.
Now, what is
No.
discussed yesterday? What is the rule to perform set operators?
Same
data
data
type.
type.
So, same data. Now, see, so see here, same number of columns and same data type. So, it says numeric because that is number and this is string. Now, what happened? How to make it to working? Now, see, simple thing. I'll try to explain with example. I forgot to say yesterday. Now, see. Okay, now see, number is coming at where? At which position? See, number is coming to the right side corner. Our string is coming to where? Which head to the left side corner.
Left
Got it. So see number. So it's a digit. So digit we are getting into the which corner? To the right side corner. String we are getting the left side corner. Same thing now. What happened? Okay. Now tell me this is, see what happened. This is number of string. Single quote 1. It's a number of string. String. No string. Same thing now. What happened? We're having the concept of 2char. 2char of 1. Okay. Now see it's also what? It's a we are converting number into string by the help of single quote with the help of 2char. Again, we're having the concept like cast is there. So cast 1 as varchar. Now what happens? See, we are converting this into varchar. Same thing now. What happened? You can go for what? You can go for. So see 1 colon varchar. Okay. Now what exactly? Now we are trying to convert this number into string with the help of single quote, with the help of 2char function, with the help of cast function, with the help of colon. Got the point? See one more time. So I want to convert this number into string. We can go for single quote, 2char function, cast function, and colon. We can able to make it working. Clear so far? Okay. Now tell me how to make this one to be work. This one we can convert into varchar. It work or not? Tell me. So this is string. This is string. It work or not?
Yes, it would work.
Both are having same data type is there. Okay, so we can go for with the help of colon or cast. See, we are converting into varchar. We are converting into 2char. We can able to make it. Same concept is that. What tell me? So see now what happened? Tell me this is not working. Now what I should do? Tell me how to rectify this issue. Simple thing. Phone is a what data type? Okay, convert this one into varchar. Now tell me both are having same data without issues. It will work. Got the point? Getting the points a little bit. Okay, see, this is the way we can able to make it work. Okay, so we can able to convert number into string. Okay, so string. Okay, so string with the help of 2char function, cast, and colon. Okay, colon. Okay, now same thing. Go back here to the input questions. Okay, now see the same thing. Tell me first one is which of the following true? First one is true. Tell me first one true or false? Arithmetic
First
operation.
one is true.
True. Okay, arithmetic operation will see because after the operation performed null will give null only. Tell me null is a value that is unavailable, unassigned, unknown, or inapplicable. True or false? What is null definition?
It's true.
True only, no? That's the definition. Null is a value that is unavailable and unassigned. Okay. What about last one? Columns of any data type can contain nulls.
Yes.
Just now we can go for number varchar. You can say. What about third one? Null is same as 0 or blank
So,
space, true or false?
yes,
False.
false.
False,
It is.
false. It's a false.
False.
Okay, so null is a nothing. So there is no, we can't able to compare anywhere. So this is fine. Okay. Now same thing.
Third
Now what?
option is correct.
Third option is the false. Okay. Now see the same thing. Now tell me. So what is the result if the query executed? See, salary is 3000, commission is null. So 3000 plus null, what's output you get?
Null.
Null.
So
Null.
what are the
Null.
operation? Okay. Now if I want to get 3000, how should I handle?
NVL
Where I should
commission.
handle
Is
it?
null or is not
NVL
null?
commission comma
No. We are not filtering. Okay, we are handling. Remember? So see,
Is
filtering is okay.
same.
Remember one. Okay, see 1 second. So filtering is different and handling is different. How to filter? We should go for is null and is not null. Okay. And how to handle? We should go for what? NVL. NVL to
NVL to
Coalesce. That's what
Coalesce.
difference. Okay. See, we need to filtering or we should handle here.
Handle. We should
Handle. No,
handle.
see handle. Okay. Now what happened? Where
NVL
should I?
commission comma 0.
Okay, see, same thing correct only. See, select sal plus commission from EMP table. Now what happened? Salary is that what? See, so where employee number? Okay, see where? Okay, ID equals to 1, 2, 3. Now what happened? It will go 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now see salary is that what is having? So for like 3000 is the salary and commission is null. Now what happened? Tell me generally 3000 plus null.
Is
It
null.
will give null only
Null
because no
is
what are
null.
the operation performed null, it will give null. Now how to rectify this issue to be make us 3000? We should try to what? We should handle null values. How can handle null values? See, instead of see NVL
NVL
comma 0. So okay, see now what happened? 3000 plus 0 will get 3000. Okay, now tell me why I should handle 0, because no whatever the what are the operation performance 0 will give that value. Suppose if you're not able to understand, simple thing. Simple thing. Okay, see, suppose like okay, update employee set salary equals to null. Where suppose like tell me I want to extra, see I want for these 2 records I want to make it null. How can I make it null? For these 2 records only. For these 2 records only. Where employee name
Employee
name equal to.
no, equal to not. Okay, employee name is null.
Is null.
Equal to 1 work. No, because there is no value for null. Okay, see now 2 records will be there. Okay, now see the same use case. Select star from employee. Okay, now requirement is that what? Yes, requirement is that what? Okay, see salary. Okay, for every employees I want to add 5000. Tell me how to add 5000 for employees. Salary plus 5000. Okay, see 5000. So this is the increment salary. Okay, see increment salary. Okay, now tell me why we are getting null here. Reason?
Arithmetic operators like adding null or something.
Okay, see
It will
whatever
give
the
null.
arithmetic, see here null plus 5000 plus, okay, null plus 5000 will be because no whatever the arithmetic operation perform with null, it will give null value only. Okay, how to rectify this issue? Tell me. So we should handle the null values. We should make so what concept? We can make so NVL function. NVL. Okay, see salary comma 0. Now what happened? Tell me wherever null is there. See we'll get. So see suppose like remove this cell. So see what happened? Wherever null is there, we are trying to make it to 0. Okay, so why are trying to make? Because so 0 plus suppose like 0 plus 10, what is what we'll get? We'll get 10 only. Now see what happened? Same thing now see. So 0 plus 5000 will give 5000. Got the point? Able to follow? Okay, see we can go for NVL or we can go for what? We can go for Coalesce also. Thank you, salary, comma 0 plus 5000. Got the point?
Yes. And in
Okay.
this scenario, we cannot do NVL2 because 3
NVL2.
arguments is not.
No, NVL2, no, remember, so we need to
Yes,
handle
yeah.
NVLs, we need to handle null value separately, not null. So here, no. Okay, so no, okay, for NVL2. So when you want to handle null values as well as not null value, then you'll go for NVL2 function. Here simply we need to handle null values. Wherever null is there, we can able to handle this. Okay. Got the pointer. So this is important. Okay, now see, so we can go for select sal plus NVL commission comma 0. from EMP, where we can suppose like if I put instead of 0, I make it to something like 1000. Not will it work? It will give a wrong result because no. Okay, see. See, this is the okay. Suppose like instead of 0, I make it to 1000. Now what happened? Tell me. It is giving 6000. Is correct? It is not, because no, all employees should get 5000. But what happened? He's getting 6000. That's why what always makes of 0, because no 0 plus any value, that value only. Got the point? Huh? Able to follow? This is null handling. Okay, see, null handling. So this is clear. So this is endorser suffer. Okay, so this is fine. Now we'll see that one more time. We'll go back here. Select null comma string. What's what we'll get? Concatenating the any value to give what? Null value to you?
Null.
Null only. Okay, see the same use case. Okay. Tell me first one, concat Praveen comma null comma Kumar. What's output? Praveen Kumara? What will you get?
Null only.
Null only.
Null.
Because no, what are the operations performed with null? Give null only. But requirements that they want to get Praveen B Kumar. How to get Praveen B Kumar?
Using null
NVL.
NVL. Okay, where we should handle NVL?
For the null.
Before null.
Before null. Okay, but see, they want to get capital P, capital B, capital K. How to get capital B? Remaining value small case.
Init cap.
Init cap, not lower. Okay,
Yes,
see how
init
to get
cap,
the
yes.
spaces?
Replace.
No. Where is replace? Where we replace?
Can give concatenation.
Concat space.
Concat space.
String
Huh?
quotations.
So Praveen, null, comma, Kumar. Now tell me what output will get? What is output will get?
Null.
Kumar.
Null. Why null?
It will.
Null.
No, say.
Any operation with null.
No, say this
No,
is
no,
what
here
says.
string.
This
Here
is
null
string,
is
this will
string.
Okay, don't get confused. If you write simply like say null, okay, so if it is a null, okay. Other than this, if you put single quotes a string, okay, so you're getting confused. Okay, so okay, so you'll understand difference. Okay, so it's a string, not a null. What is output? You'll get Praveen null Kumar. Okay, got the point. So don't get confused. So these are basic things. Okay, now see, if I put remove single quote, this is a what? This is a what?
Null.
It's a null
It's null.
because no, okay, null. Okay, now this is fine. Now tell me, so this is fine. Now what happened? Requirement is that what they want to make it to Praveen B Kumar. Where we should handle null values?
In the null.
NVL, null comma
Null comma B.
B.
B. Okay, B. Okay, so but what happens? See, they want to get the spaces. How to get the spaces?
We can give space B again.
So no need is you are saying like see, we are asking like this. Okay, we need to require like this again.
Yes.
See, instead of right now what happens? So see, so we should okay remember always make sure like we should write the less code. Okay, now see, instead of writing 2 times now what happens? Simply I can write here.
Yeah.
Simply I can
Before
before
B,
B,
you can give
before B, after B. It's possible. Okay, got the point like this. Now they want to make capital, which makes of what function? Which makes of init cap function. Init cap. Okay. Like this way you should do. Okay. So less code we need to make it done. Okay. So put from column yes. Okay. Like this way we can now same thing go back here. Tell me. So see. So wherever null is that they want to displace NA. How can you handle null values?
through NVL.
NVL. Okay. So
Null comma N.
come again. NVL of
Null comma NA.
not null. Okay. So there is so many records. No, we should not write null comma. We should write column name comma NA.
Column.
Okay.
Got the point. So see, we should not write. Okay, see. So NVL. If I put null comma, what happened? Tell me. If I put null comma NA, what will happen? Tell me.
Only for nulls.
No. If I write like this, what will happen? Tell me. Tell me. If I write like this, what is output will get for all the records?
Only Only the NVL records will populate it.
No,
NA
no,
will
no.
show.
NA will be
No,
I
no.
think
You're
it
understanding.
will throw error.
Why it will throw error? No, it will not throw. Okay. So remember, you are by-adding concepts. Okay, you should not by-add. See, suppose like the simple thing. Suppose like we see here. So you should understand the concept. Okay. So don't by-add. Select it. So from employee. Okay, now it's projecting all the columns and all records. Now what happened? I'm putting like NVL. Okay, see null comma NA. What will happen? Tell me null comma NA.
Replace all.
Totally how many records are there? Totally 8 records are there. Then what will happen? Tell me. What is output? Generally, what's output? Tell me. Generally, what is output? Will get.
Will replace it is null NA.
Now what is output will get for this value?
NA will get replaced with NA.
Come again.
no output.
8 NAs will come.
Okay, see, so what happened? Generally functional is that word null. Now, so null is a null value. So null annual function is that it will pick the first not null. So it will give, so NA it will give for all the records.
All the
Got the point. So this is the way. Okay, so see here functionality, we should not write null. Okay, so what we should write? We should write the column name. See, NVL. Okay, see employee name. Okay, see comma NA, not null. Okay, if it will give always NA. Okay, got the point. Now see here it will get NA. Okay, so what you should write? Query. So select NVL input comma NA, input comma NA. So wherever null is there, we'll display NA. If it's not, it will give A, B, C, D. Remaining values it will give NA. Got the point. I like this a difference. Okay. Now see the same use case. Tell me. So first name, middle name, last name. Okay, so they want to get Sam, Todd, Sarah, Ben, Jones. Okay, tell me what is the value?
Coalesce of
Coalesce.
Now, what is our requirement? What is the requirement?
Coalesce
want,
of,
no, what is that?
not null. First
So
not
see,
null.
see, let me take the screenshot.
everywhere first not null values coming.
Not everywhere, in each record. So in each
In
record,
each,
so Sam, Todd, Sarah, Ben, James. So see, I want to pick the first not null from the all. See, in this first record, first name, last name. So I want to get the first not null. How can write? We should go for coalesce of first name, comma, middle name, comma, last name, comma, middle name, comma, last name. Okay. Is there any other way apart from coalesce?
NVL2
NVL is
NVL2.
only for 2 arguments.
NVL2 functional is that what? NVL2 function is that too? It won't work. NVL2 function is to handle null values as well as not null values. Here we should handle only null values. Okay, see. So tell me what is NVL of first name, comma, middle name? F, comma, M. What is output will get? F, comma, M. First will get Sam.
F.
Sam, then
Todd.
Sam, Todd,
null.
then we will
Ben will get
James.
James will get. Okay. But what happens? See, we are getting Sam is completed, Todd, Ben, James. But Sarah is there at the third column. Now what happened? Can write one more outer NVL, comma, last name it work.
Yes.
Okay, see.
Yes.
So this is one result set. Okay, again we are trying to write one more result. Simple thing. You see what happened. That's was if you know the subject now, you can able to play. Okay, see, NVL first name, comma, middle name. Okay, now what happened? We should get one. So we can write one more outer NVL. So NVL. So bracket open, comma, last name. Got the point? Like this way, you can able to make it working. Okay, you should do like this. Only you need to do. Okay, now see the same thing. Now tell me. Okay. Tell me, suppose like in Snowflake also dual table is there. So see, select star from dual. Okay, now it's having one record is there. So one record is there here. Now tell me, so where 1 equal 1, true or false? First condition. 1 equal to true or false? True. True, no? True. Okay, what about 1 equal to 2?
False.
False. 1 not equal to 2?
True.
True.
True. Okay, tell you records. What about null equal null? True?
No.
Okay, let me take this.
Not
Okay, see what happens. So see.
comparable.
Okay, here see what happened. 1 is a value, 2 is a value, we can able. But tell me null equal null, true? So null is a no, well, it's a false condition. What about null not equal null? Is a false, true or false?
No.
Now because
False.
null, so
False.
see here 1 is a value, 2 is a value. So so no value, we can't able to perform. What about not equal to null? It's also false. What about null is null?
Yes,
False.
correct.
Yes.
True.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
What about null is not null?
True.
False.
No.
False.
So we're saying null is not null. So we're saying null is not a null. It's a
Okay.
false.
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 False condition. What about null equal to 0?
No, false.
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 False condition. What about null equal to empty space?
False.
False. What about third one?
It is true.
Why it is true?
Because it is
Because we are handling it through NVL function,
So
right?
0
It
equal
is-
to 0. 0 equal to 0 will
it is
get.
zero.
Okay, so because no null comma 0 it will go 0. 0 equal to it's a
Zero.
true
Zero.
condition. Okay. What about null comma null?
False.
Again null.
Null
Again
equal to null,
false.
it's a false condition.
Yes.
What about last value? Praveen equal to
True.
Praveen? True. Okay,
True.
so
True.
remember only is null only it will work. Remaining always will give false condition. This was the point you should remember. Okay. We'll see one question. We'll close for today. See this logic. You should say the logic. What exactly happening? Okay. See. So this is the input. This is the expected output. See the input and tell me the logic. What exactly happening? Say logic. Tell me this much time don't take. Okay. Tell me interviews also like remember. Okay. So they don't take this much time. Okay. So within 30 seconds you should say the answer. If you're not able to say, so they'll go for other question. Tell me what's the logic they want. What say?
We need to use concatenation operator
Okay, so it's concatenation with, so they want to make
with
pipe
the
1.
service
Pipe 1.
code.
Tell me. They want to concatenate with pipe
Okay.
1. Pipe 1.
Pipe
Okay, now
one.
see what happened. Tell me null concatenate with 1. What will happen?
Null.
Again null.
We will use NVL here.
NVL.
Okay, we'll go for NVL. Okay, tell me which handle null handling separately. Okay, so NVL null comma 1. Now tell me how can they handle null val C? So let me take the screenshot. So which functionality will use for this use case? Tell me anybody. Only Coalesce and NVL. Huh? NVL2 won't work. Huh?
NVL won't work because there is a pipe.
Pipe no we can do.
No,
Tell me see. See, I need to handle. See, wherever null is there, I want displace 1. Wherever
Here
not null is there, I would
NVL2 we
displace.
need to use.
Okay, so we can go for NVL, NVL2 Coalesce because no, I need to handle null separately, not null separately. We can go for NVL2 also. We can able to. Okay, so we can go for NVL, Coalesce also or NVL2 also. See, I want to handle null separately. I want handle not null separately. Okay, got the point. Okay, got it. Clear so far?
Can you please write the syntax for this output? Like
Try.
NVL
You should try this thing.
Okay.
This is complicated. See, remember, if you're able to do the complicated thing, you can able to make it work. Okay, this is simple. See what happens. See, so see, you should handle what? So this null I should handle separately. Not null I should see wherever null is there, I want to make it 1. Wherever not null is there, I want to concatenate simply service code concatenate with pipe 1. So we can go for either NVL, NVL2 Coalesce. I have a hint, try to work. So prepare some data. And before that, tell me for this one, which type of data type I should use? For this one, which type of data I should use?
Number.
Number. Why number? Pipe is there. Pipe is there. Pipe is there. When pipe is there, what happened? Tell me. Number will
It's a string on.
It's a string. Okay, got the point. That's a string one. Okay, got it. So it's a string. Okay, see, we should handle null separately, not null separately. We can go for anything. Okay, try to see if you're able to solve this. No, like almost like null concept will be completed. Okay, got the point. So try to work this thing. Okay. And it's a suffer. So try to okay. So this nulls are very important for interview perspective and real time also is the same thing. Okay.